Hello, and thank you for joining me today for section 4 of our unit on the urogenital system. So today we're going to talk about the composition of urine. So some goals for you at the end of this will be to identify various components of urine, talk about what goes into urine as we produce it, describe urine in terms of color and pH, and then explain differences in urine color and causes of these differences here. And so first, your urine is made of a couple things. Primarily, 95% of your urine is water, which would be the liquid substance that you excrete into the toilet or out of your body, you expel from your body. And most of that is water. There's also some nitrogen-containing waste. So again, this urea, this uric acid, ammonia, and creatinine are all components of urine that are there. We also lose some electrolytes depending on your hydration level, depends on what you lose for your electrolytes, as well as how your body is acclimated to the activity that you do. For example, if you are in shape and exercise regularly, your body is better at controlling and regulating your electrolyte level, your different solutes and their levels in your body. If you're just starting to get into working out, or you're working out for the first time in a long time, you may have an imbalance in electrolytes because your body's just not used to it. There's a substance called urochrome. So chrome refers to color, uro refers to urination. So urochrome is the substance that gives your urine its yellowish color. This is formed by breaking down hemoglobin in the liver. So your liver is partially responsible for breaking down red blood cells, and that's where hemoglobin gets broken down, is there. Hey, some characteristics of your liver and some things that just kind of fun facts. We produce roughly 1,500 milliliters of urine per day. Sorry, I say characteristics of your liver. Characteristics of urine. We produce 1,500 milliliters or 1.5 liters of urine per day. That goes into a little bit less than half a gallon for a conversion factor. There's almost 4 liters in a gallon, so a little less than half of that is what we produce in a day. Urine has a pH of approximately 6. And so this means urine is slightly acidic, hence the uric acid being involved in it. So slightly acidic under normal conditions. Colors. Most of the time, urine is yellowish, and it's varied in color. So we have an amber color, straw colored is very common. If we get into the orange, browns, and reds, that's usually when you have something going wrong. Especially red would be like blood in your urine. Orange can be part of that. Brown can kind of go with that as well. And clear is super hydrated. You're getting rid of a lot of excess water because you have so much. And cloudy can be there as well. If you are dehydrated, your urine will have a deep yellow color. This bold yellow, yellowish, almost green color. Whereas if you are overhydrated, or properly hydrated maybe, where you're getting enough water in your body, you'll have a pale yellow or even a colorless. The clearer your urine, the more hydrated you are. The more your body's getting rid of because you don't need it because you have so much urine in your body, or so much water in your body. Some abnormal constituents. I mean, things are going wrong. Some components of urine that might be there that shouldn't be. Things like albumin, which is a protein found in the body. We have glucose. That's our energy substance. Erythrocytes, we've talked, are red blood cells. Hemoglobin, involved in blood, carries oxygen. Leukocytes are white blood cells. Ketone bodies. These things are produced in the liver. This is when you digest fatty acids. You produce these things called ketone bodies. And so if we have an abundance of those, they will be present in your urine, which isn't such a good thing as well. And we have bilirubin, which is also in your liver there. So if you have some sort of liver disorder, you'll find these things present in your urine, which isn't ever a great thing. But it's a sign that there's something else going on internally that maybe you weren't aware of before. Some ways we can test, we have things like urinalysis where they analyze your urine. There's a microscopic exam. They can look at the different components of urine. Under a microscope, there's culture and sensitivity. So they can put your urine on like a petri dish and culture it and try to grow bacteria there and see what's in it. They can use a urine dipstick. They can do drug and alcohol screening, which is what we've done previously at school, or we still do at school. And then there's 24-hour urine testing to see about different drugs and specimens in your urine that aren't supposed to be there. These are just some different methods of testing your urine for its components and seeing if they can discover what's going on in your body. So this was a pretty short unit, but here's some review questions. And so see if you can answer these, and then if you have troubles or struggles, make sure you let me know and we'll get things straightened out. But first, what is the largest component of your urine? What gives it its color? How does the color change based on your hydration level? What is the average or normal pH of urine? And what can be found in blood when something abnormal is happening in your body? So those are some questions for you to think through and answer. Again, we'll review this moving forward. But I look forward to going through the rest of this unit with you, and we'll see you next time. For now, enjoy your day and take care.